Hola a todos. So this video we're going to look at Wordwall.net. I have already logged in and it takes me to my activities page. So when you have the free account, which is you can only create up to I think 5 activities. So let's take a look at what happens once you've created an activity. And the activities are kind of like a Quizlet set where you have a term and a definition. So the one that I've created here are various chores in Spanish. So when you're creating your activity, you do have to choose a certain activity to go, like a game or something to go along with it, but you can change that at any time, which is nice. So let's take a look over here on the right where you can see the different interactives that the students can do. With the free account, you have 12 different options, which you can see on the screen right there. So if you wanted to give them like a quick quiz as an exit slip, you can do that. I could play hangman or matching. Any of these 12 things are available to you with the free account. There are also 8 printables that you could do. So if you want to turn them into a quiz or a crossword puzzle, you can do that as well. What I suggest you do is once you've created your first activity is to try out the various options you have here to see which one you like best or which one you want to give to the students. If I go back to My Activities page, I'm going to show you guys the community. You can search for something else if you haven't created it yet. So maybe I want to look for maybe La Familia, some Spanish terms for the family. So let's just click on the first one. So this is an activity that somebody else made. The nice thing here is that once the activity loads, you can actually switch the template if you want to use a different activity. So maybe they made their activity in the balloon pop game, but you don't like the balloon pop. Well, once you load it, you can just click over here on the right the activity that you would like to do. Or if you wanted to, you could turn it into a printable as well. So like, let's say I want to do a crossword puzzle. I can just click crossword. And it will load the crossword, and I can try the activity if I want to by clicking start. And then when I'm ready, I can just click the share button, and I can get a link by clicking set assignment. You can have them enter their names if you want to, have a deadline for it, show answers leaderboards, and so on. Click the start button, and it will provide you with a link, and you get that link to your students via Google Classroom if you want to, or you can just copy that and paste it wherever you need to. The last thing I want to show you is in the My Results section. Let's go back to My Activities really quick. So let's click My Results. Now what you're going to see in here are the results of the various activities that you've done. And the nice thing is that it's not just on the activities that you've created, but on activities that you've found in the community as well. So for example, I do have some results for the Los Quehaceres activity that I created. However, I've also found this activity on the verb ir in Spanish, to go. And you can see right here that 31 of my students have completed this. So if I click on it, it'll show me the results of the activity for the students. And the analytics or the details in here are actually pretty good. They can show you their average score, top score, how fast they get through the activity. It'll even break it down for who got first, second, third. Right here, it shows you all the different questions in the activity, how often they're getting them correct or incorrect on the right. And it'll show you the students' names, the date, time they submitted it, and so on. So they're actually pretty good as far as if you wanted to assign them as homework assignment or a quiz in the class. I definitely recommend that you play around with Wordwall.net, find something that you like, and test it out with your students. There are pricing plans available. If you click the upgrade button here, you can see how much it costs for a yearly subscription for one person, or they also have school plans where it's discounted if you get 5 or more people on that plan. Check it out. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys next time.